Oh my god. Hey guys, hope you had an amazing week. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit on the bell notification so that you never miss an update. And for those who have been watching, thank you for all the comments. Today we are going to prepare a delicious and healthy chicken recipe with pumpkin and fresh bamboo shoots. This traditional Northeast Indian recipe is actually a base recipe and each tribe has its own variations. So you are at your free will to go ahead and add ingredients that you have at home. So now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients that we need. Chicken, pumpkin which are chopped into small cubes, bamboo shoots, again chopped into small pieces, sliced onions, slit green chilies, turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, oil and black pepper. Let's start cooking. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your sliced onions. Stir fry it on a low flame until it turns translucent. Now add your slit green chilies and ginger garlic paste. Stir and cook them until the onions turn golden brown. Add your chicken pieces, salt and turmeric powder. Stir and open cook it on a medium flame until the water from the meat begins to release. At this point, add your chopped pumpkin and half-boiled bamboo shoots if it's fresh. Since mine are preserved, I am adding it directly. Stir, cover and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes on a low flame, occasionally stirring in between. If your dish gets too dry just like mine, then please add little water and continue cooking until the meat is completely cooked. Finally, crush some pepper and add it to the dish. Give it a quick stir and leave it for a minute. And ta-da! Our beautiful dish is ready. Here is our dish, which is a beautiful yellow sunshine color, and it's looking really pretty. It's also releasing a beautiful sweet and spicy fragrance, and I wish you could smell the aroma with me here, and I just can't wait to dig in. So let me keep this aside, and again some steamed rice. I've also made some salad for myself, which is carrot, tomato and onions, and added some salt in it. Okay. So this is a dry main course, and the pumpkin is looking really mushy. I'm already slurping in here. Okay, let me help with some of my salad too. So let's start eating. Mash it properly with your rice, and you can see the bamboo shoots. Yes. If you are not a fan of complete dry dish, you can add little water, I guess, to make a thick gravy, but we love it in this way. Oh my god. This dish is really mind-blowing. I just can't explain how wonderful this combination is, and I think this is a dish that I can go on repeating again and again. No wonder we all love this dish in our own way. The chicken is really tender. The meat is just falling apart. The bamboo shoot has added a really nice texture as well as flavor. I love the green chilies too, and you can feel the pepper as you bite in. Yeah, this is spicy, but again not overpowering. So the flavors are just dancing in my head. I think even if I finish one meal, and if somebody prepares this dish for me, I'm surely going for second round. I hope you are enjoying watching me eat, as well as you have enjoyed watching this recipe. And if you have watched so far, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you have recipes stored, kindly share it across, and my email is mentioned in the description of my channel. So please do consider sending some new recipes. I'll see you guys next Friday with another recipe. So stay tuned to my channel.